Hey guys, what's going on? Just another day, got the coffee, let's hit it.
There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. A beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. Good times, sunshine, gonna be here in no time now. Bad times, gray skies, push them all away, turn them upside down. You're gonna break new ground, turn everything around. You're gonna live your life. There's a beautiful day headed your way. Keep your head up, you'll be okay. Beautiful day waiting for you. Just open your eyes, you'll see it's true. A beautiful day.
Alright, so finally home. A little bit of a rest time now, I guess. And as you can tell, it's afternoon tea time. So, have to get the coffee. Alright guys, so in the car now, heading to Ikea. Got a present to send out to another vlogger out there, Trooper over in Vegas. So shouts out to him. If you haven't checked out his videos, his vlogs, if you're into poker, just general life stuff, highly recommend checking him out. So yeah, I picked up something actually a month or two back, and now I need to find a box or something to display it in, ship it out to him, and hopefully he enjoys it. So we'll find out what we can find and catch up later. Definitely something I need for home. Well, that's interesting. Apparently, as you saw, randomly selected for a spot check. Must be something about a grown-ass man buying a little glass box. Interesting. Alright, home from Ikea. Got the little box there waiting to be filled up with the goodies to send over. Now, out again, taking the kid over to the toy store, get him a new toy, seeing that his brother broke his one the other day. So, yeah, no rest for the wicked, and back out the house we go. Alright guys, so back home now. That's all the running around done for the day, thank God. Time to relax, chill out, watch TV, be with the family. So, yeah, if you enjoyed today, click the thumbs up button, subscribe, let your friends know, and I'll see you next time.